Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Suraiya Shahin and today I will deal questions from Wordsworth Part 3. I have already dealt the questions from Wordsworth in two parts and today is the third part, right? So I start with the question and the first question is here. Which of the following works is written by Wordsworth? इनमें से कौन सा वर्क है जो वर्ड्सवर्थ ने लिखा है? फर्स्ट इज बाइजेंटियम, सेकेंड इज नटिंग, थर्ड इज सर्डोलो एंड फोर्थ इज ओड टू अटम. So it was, if you have read the works of Wordsworth, then you must know that Byzantium, Sardolo, and Ode to Autumn. These works are not written by Wordsworth, and nothing is written by Wordsworth. So the correct answer would be here B. Next question is, what type of work is Wordsworth's River Dudden? जो Wordsworth की River Dudden है वो किस टाइप की वर्क है? First option is series of satires, second option is series of elegies, third option is series of sonnets, and fourth option is series of ballads, right? So your correct answer would be here C, series of sonnets. So Wordsworth River Dudden is series of sonnets, right? Next question is, I heard 1,000 blended notes is a poetic contribution to lyrical ballads by. First option is Wordsworth, second option is Coleridge, third option is Shelley, and fourth option is Keats. So I heard 1,000 blended notes is a poetic contribution to lyrical ballads, and you know that it was written by Wordsworth. So the correct answer would be here Wordsworth. Next question is, Wordsworth revisited Tintern Abbey in. First option is 1850, second option is 1799, third option is 1795, and fourth option is 1810. So Wordsworth revisited Tintern Abbey in 1850. So the correct answer would be here 1850, right? Next question is, in which of his poems does Wordsworth recorded his impressions of a manufacturing district of northern England? यानी किस पोएम में वर्ड्सवर्थ ने रिकॉर्ड किया है हिज इम्प्रेशंस ऑफ ए मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ नॉर्दर्न इंग्लैंड की? First option is prelude, second option is lyrical ballads, third option is the ruined cottage, and the last option is the exertion. So the correct answer would be here exertion, right? Here Wordsworth recorded his impressions of a manufacturing district of northern England. Next question is, in how many stanzas did Wordsworth write द थॉर्न? इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं कि कोई पोएम कितने स्टेंजा में पूछा जाता है. आप इन चीज़ों पे आप ध्यान नहीं देते हैं जब आप पोएम पढ़ते हैं तो, लेकिन इन पे भी ध्यान देना होता है आपको कि कोई पोएम कितने स्टेंजा में लिखा गया है. हालांकि क्वेश्चन ये काफ़ी इजी होता है लेकिन तब भी स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. सो इन हाउ मेनी स्टेंजाज डिड वर्ड्सवर्थ राइट द थॉर्न? थॉर्न जो पोएम है वर्ड्सवर्थ की वह कितने स्टेंजा में लिखा गया है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 12 स्टेंजाज, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज 10 स्टेंजाज, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज 20 स्टेंजाज, एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज 22 स्टेंजाज, राइट? सो ये करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी हेयर 20 स्टेंजाज. वर्ड्सवर्थ रोट इट इन 20 स्टेंजाज. Next question is here, we find nature poem imbued with Wordsworth's philosophy and mysticism in. First option is Ode to the Intimation of Immortality, second option is Tintern Abbey, third option is Ode to Duty, and the last option is The Thorn. So your correct answer is Ode to Intimation of Immortality, because here Wordsworth imbued with his philosophy and mysticism. So your correct answer would be Ode to the Intimation of Immortality. Next question is, Wordsworth had his passion for nature fixed in his blood. Who said this for? यानी कि वर्ड्सवर्थ ने यह बताया कि उसका पैसन फॉर नेचर जो है वह फिक्स है ब्लड में. Who said this for words? सो वर्ड्सवर्थ के लिए यह किसने कहा है कि वर्ड्सवर्थ हैड हिज पैसन, उसका पैसन था फॉर नेचर फिक्स्ड इन हिज ब्लड? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज कॉलरिज, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज वाल्टर स्कॉट, थर्ड इज डी क्विंसी, एंड फोर्थ इज कैसामिया, राइट? सो इट वॉज डी क्विंसी. Your correct answer would be here Dickens, who said this about Wordsworth, that his passion for nature fixed in his blood. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द स्पैन ऑफ रोमांटिक पीरियड इज फ्रॉम, रोमांटिक पीरियड का जो डेट है वह कहाँ से कहाँ तक है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 1780 टू 1832, सेकेंड इज 1798 टू 1832, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज 1750 टू 1830 एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज 1790 टू 1843. सो आपके जो हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर है उसमें सारे एज के डेट आपको याद रखने होते हैं, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपका जो रोमांटिक पीरियड है वह 1798 से शुरू होता है और यह 1832 तक जाता है. और तो यह रोमांटिक पीरियड का आपका डेट हो गया. और 1832 है जो वह विक्टोरियन एज स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ से, 1832 से वहाँ पर रोमांटिक एज ख़त्म होती है. Next question is here. A presence that disturbs me with the joy of elevated thoughts, a sense of sublime. These lines are found in first option is Ode to the Intimation of Immortality, second option is Ode to Duty, third option is the Prelude, and the fourth option is Tintern Abbey. So the correct answer would be here Ode to the Intimation of Immortality, where he talks about a process that disturbs me with the joy of elevated thoughts, a sense of sublime. Right. Next question is, who said Wordsworth was a real mystic of nature? First option is Garrod, second option is Rickett, third option is Garrick, and fourth option is Kazamia. Right. So the correct answer would be here Garrick, who said about Wordsworth that Wordsworth was a real mystic of nature. Next question is, who composed a poem called French Revolution? First option is Shelley, second is Wordsworth, third is Byron, and fourth is Keats. So it was Wordsworth who composed this poem called French Revolution, right? Next question is, the doctrine that identifies God with the universe is, first is pantheism, second is naturalism, third is mysticism, and fourth option is none of the above. So the correct answer would be here pantheism, because this identifies the doctrine that identifies God with the universe, right? So the correct answer would be here pantheism. Next question is here, from whom did the romantic poets get the idea return to nature? First is Rousseau, second is Dickens, third is Garrod, and fourth is Cobbett. So it was Rousseau. आपने सुना होगा रूसो ने कैसे बात किया है फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन की, और वहाँ से कैसे जो रोमांटिक पोएट्स है वहाँ से इंस्पायर हुए थे, राइट. ही टॉक्स अबाउट द फ्रीडम. So from Rousseau, the romantic poets got the idea return to nature. Next question is, let nature be your teacher. In which of the following works Wordsworth said it? First option is daffodils, second is the table stone, third option is the thorn, and fourth option is the prelude. Right. So your correct answer would be here the table stone, because in this work Wordsworth said let nature be your teacher, because Wordsworth is the priest of nature who takes nature as his teacher. He thinks that nature teaches people a lot, so that's why he says that let nature be your teacher. Next question is, who said in Wordsworth we find Rousseau's well-known fundamental tenets? First is Legius, second is Kazamia, third is Godwin, and last is Rickett. सो इसमें से किसने कहा कि हम वर्ड्सवर्थ में हम लोग रूसो का वेल नोन फंडामेंटल टीनेट्स को पाते हैं? सो ये करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी हेयर लेजियस, राइट. इसने कहा था इन वर्ड्सवर्थ वी फाइंड रूसोज वेल नोन फंडामेंटल टीनेट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्क्स डू वी फाइंड द कैरेक्टर द लीच गैदरर? First option is Resolution and Independence, second option is the Thorns, third option is the Excursion, and fourth option is the Prelude. Right. So it was Resolution and Independence, and this is a work where Wordsworth talks about the character leech gatherer, right? So the correct answer would be resolution and independence. Next question is emotion and imaginations are the elements of. First option is romanticism, second is modernism, third is mysticism and the last is neoclassicism. जो इमोशंस एंड इमेजिनेशंस है वो किसका एलिमेंट है? तो आपको पता होगा, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा रोमांटिक पोइट्री, तो रोमांटिक पोइट्री का ये एलिमेंट्स है, रोमांटिसिज्म का ये एलिमेंट है इमोशन एंड इमेजिनेशन। जैसे रोमांटिक पोइट्री के काफ़ी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं, जिसमें इमोशन, इमेजिनेशन, नेचर की बातें करते हैं, रिटर्न टू नेचर। Next question is who taught the principle of general will? First option is Godwin, second is Rousseau, third is Shelley, and fourth is Wordsworth. So it was Rousseau who taught the principle of general will. Next question is here, and the fresh air lodged within his cheek as light within a cloud. In which of the following works these lines occur? First option is here the excursion, second option is Lucy Gray, third is daffodils, and fourth is the prelude. So the correct answer would be the excursion, where Wordsworth talk about the fresh air lodged within his cheek as light within a cloud. Next question is Wordsworth's theory of poetic diction was propounded in. First option is the prelude, second is preface to the lyrical ballads, third is the excursion, and fourth is biographia literaria. So in preface to the lyrical ballads, he propounded the theory of poetic diction.